Hello, my name is Curtis Morrison. I am the owner of Ready Go Law. So U.S. citizens with spouses awaiting immigrant visa interviews from U.S. Embassy Nairobi are facing unreasonable delays. We know from past lawsuits that U.S. Embassy Nairobi had a big backlog of interview-ready, immediate relative immigrant visa applicants as of June 2022, okay? Unfortunately, we believe that backlog has grown and continues to grow. Thus, we are offering a group lawsuit to challenge the lawfulness of those unreasonable delays. The goal of the group lawsuit is to accelerate the scheduling of interviews at U.S. Embassy Nairobi for our clients. Okay? So, eligibility participate. 3 things. The lawsuit will only be for couples in the IR1, CR1 categories, spouses of U.S. citizens. Number 2, the lawsuit will only be for couples awaiting visa interviews at U.S. Embassy Nairobi. If you're waiting at another embassy, this lawsuit is not for you. Okay, number 3, participants must have been DQ, which means documentarily qualified, by NVC before April 22nd of 2023, meaning almost a year or more. That you must have been documentarily qualified for a year or more. Okay, we will file this lawsuit for the affected couples who register to participate as plaintiffs. The registration ends on April 15th, 2024. The lawsuit will be filed on April 22nd, 2024. And so please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video.